Hi kids, today we're gonna review the sounds of the alphabet. Letter A makes the A sound. Letter A makes the A sound. Letter A say its name. A. A. Letter B says B. 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 Letter B says B. 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 Letter C says K. 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 Letter C says K. 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 Letter D says D. 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 Letter D says D. 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 Letter E says E. 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 Like empty. E. 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 Letter E say its name. E. E. Letter F says F. 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 Like a fan. F. 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 Letter G says G. 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 Like a gorilla. G. 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 Letter H says Letter I says E. 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 Like in the word itchy. Letter I say its name. I. 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 Letter J says J. 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 Letter K says K. 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 Letter L says U. 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 Letter M says Mm. Letter N says mm. Letter O says oh. Letter O say its name. O. Letter P says p, 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 like you're pulling something. P, p, p. Letter Q says quack, quack, quack. Letter R says like a pirate. Letter S says like a snake. Letter T says t, t, t. Letter T says t, t, t. Letter U says Letter U say its name. U. Letter V says V. 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 Like in the name Victor. V. 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 Miss Villanueva. V. 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 Letter W says W. 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 Like in the word wind. W. 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 Letter X says X. 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 Letter Y says Y. 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 The last one, letter Z, says Z, 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 like the sound of the bee. Z, Z, Z. And that's the end of the alphabet review.